Okay, guys. So I'm about to replace the rear bumper on my car. So yeah, the first thing that we do is, first thing I did, I loosened these things up, right? You take this off. Take this little plastic thing off, just with this flat, right? With the flathead the screwdriver. All you have to do is go like this. The little screw is a plastic screw, and then it'll pop out. And then just loosen these things up. Mine came with I think it's a T20, but most of the BMWs, because my car was painted before, so I guess the shop put these ones. But originally it comes with 8mm. 8mm. And then once you do that, you're gonna go down here. I'm gonna remove these. These are 8mm screws. All you have to do is remove them like this. Like that. Okay. Okay, then it's gonna be somewhere over here by the exhaust tip. Let me put the camera right here really fast. And there's nothing wrong with that bumper. You know, I just got the M Sport bumper, and this one has a Sport Line bumper. I just want to give it that more, I guess more sporty look. Right. So then we cut down to this last ones. Put the foam right here. Okay. So there we go. Okay, now, right here, right? Some people like to remove these just to be able to remove the light and have easy access to this, but honestly, I don't think you need to do that. Access is easy already. Okay, so then the next thing that you have to do is you have to Okay, so then there's a few more screws. Let me show you. Okay, so you go by the tire, right? And then the screw that you need to take out is gonna be right there. See where my finger is? You see it? Okay, so you're gonna take that one out.